Get ready for dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, the government of Tamil Nadu, under the Department of Social Welfare and Women Empowerment, announced a scheme whereby women travelers can travel without paying any fare in government-run normal fare buses for short distances of up to 30 kilometers in cities and towns in the state. Women are issued zero tickets when they travel in these buses. Among the women passengers who use the zero ticket travel scheme, around 52% of them are below the age of 40. The fact that more than 48% of women users are more than 40 years of age indicates the extent to which this scheme benefits older women. There are no major differences in these proportions across districts. A man's great education is a glory to him alone, but a woman's education brings glory to the family. Apart from that, for a society to progress, female education is very important. For a woman to be equal to men, she must be educated. Therefore, the government has launched the Higher Education Assurance Scheme called Pudumai Pen. The scheme aims to help 6 lakh women annually and has a budget allocation of rupees 698 crore. The scheme was launched with the aim of increasing the higher education enrollment rate of female students completed schooling in government schools by providing financial assistance. Government has received information that most of the children do not eat breakfast, as children who can go to school in urban and rural areas leave early in the morning. Not only are the schools far away, but also the family environment of some people is the reason for this. Keeping this in mind, the government has desired a program to provide breakfast to government school students in the morning. A nutritious breakfast is served in the morning on all school days to primary school students in grade 1 to 5. The new GAL program is a program that has been established to encourage more female students to pursue higher education. Similarly, the Tamil Pudalvan project is a program to make students aware of higher education. 1,000 rupees per month will be paid directly to the bank account of the students studying in government schools or government aided schools from class 6 to +2 through the scheme. Letter from Messrs. Ananth and Company, Chennai, to Messrs. Ravi Enterprises Limited, Hyderabad. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 3rd instant and regret to state that we are unable to give you the information you need. We can assure you that we should be pleased to do so if it were possible. We are surprised to hear that the funds trent are not safe, and we cannot understand the reality of the situation. You know, we are having business connection with several parts of the world. Please intimate to us the current situation so as to enable us to proceed further in the matter. In case you could not furnish any details within a fortnight, we shall be forced to disconnect our deal. We hope and trust that you would not come to such a conclusion. Expecting your reply with regard to the position at present, and let us have a suitable reply. Yours faithfully. Get ready for dictation.